Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix mic in Escape the Backrooms in PC. So what you need to do here is to go to settings, then you should see restore defaults and press reset and then look if the problem persists, if the mic is working normally or not. If this is not the case, then what you need to do is to go to a audio section, scroll all the way down, make sure audio quality is high or medium or epic, because do not select low. Then what you need to do here, voice chat, make sure it's always on and make sure input gain is 1.1 or 1.2, and also make sure your mic, for example headset mic or other mic, is all the volume basically all the way up, right? And then you need to close the game. Then in settings, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to a sound. So the sound will be a system sound, then make sure the right microphone is selected. So you need to go to volume mixer also here, and you need to look if the right microphone and headset is selected and also it's not muted. Then what you need to do here is to run the game and look if, for example, this option is not muted here. And also it should be on default. The next step, what you need to do here is to go back to sound, then look for a more sound settings, recording, and make sure your right microphone set to default. Then go to that particular microphone and look that also it's not muted and it has pretty good level here. And then make sure these two options are selected, allow applications to take exclusive control and give exclusive mode application priority. And save the changes and look if the problem persists after that or not. But definitely it should fix your problem.